Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can crop video on TikTok PC, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on the screen, where we can see upload button at top right corner. Just click over there and now you'll be redirected to the official TikTok studio page. So to crop a video, you need to upload a video first. So simply click on select video. So once your video is uploaded, you need to scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to see the edit video option. So you need to click on this button, and now in here you simply need to scroll a little bit down and you can see this. You need to click on it, and from here you can crop your video successfully. So basically this is how you can crop your video on TikTok, and if you encounter any issue during this process, then please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.